สวัสดีครับ Hello everyone, welcome to Fit Thailand YouTube channel. My name is TC. I'm your Asia Fitness Conference Manager 2022. Today I would like to share with you about how to download AFC mobile application. So this suggestion, this advice and instruction can be used on both iOS and Android mobile phone system. So for iOS, go to App Store. For Android, go to Google Play Store. Alright, so let's start. I will go to App Store right here. Just click see when. The name of the app is called See When Event, right? And then click download. Open. When you search for event, you just type Asia Fitness. Alright, it's come up. Click download. It will take you for a while to download the event. The event will be held on September 30 to October the 2nd, 2022 at Bytech Bang Na, Bangkok, Thailand. Alright, right now it's ready to be viewed. Just click on the arrow. Okay, right now you are in mobile app. This it's gonna be look like this on both iOS and Android. And as you can see, they have like a countdown, AFC logo, okay, menu, attendee, speaker, schedule, CEC, when asked question, competition info, and on the bottom you can see home, schedule, profile, and on hamburger tab. Once again, you can click attendee speaker, about AFC, continuing education, competition info, exhibitor, sponsor. Okay, and you can see the red button on your right top corner, login. Right now, you are not logged in, including me. Okay, so it's okay if you are not logging in and you would like to look for more information about AFC event. You can click on speaker if you would like to find out who will be present his or her session. Here you can see and find out more information. So let's say if you interested to join Tony Stone session, just click here, Tony Stone. You can see his photo, headshot photo, his title, okay, his biography and his session right here. So he will have 3 sessions on conference 213, 243, 323 and post conference 403. Alright, this is like a speaker. I would go back to the schedule. The schedule, okay, you can see the number of the session, title of session, time and type of the session. In the bracket you can see WS, that means workshop. But if you see L, the capital letter L, such as session 108 from shy to champion, that's been lecture session. Once you click on that, you can see who's the speaker on this session and how long it would take, start from when to when, okay, which room. Alright, you still cannot select the session because you still not logging in, Alright, so this is the information that you would get if you're not logging in. CEC also, you can find out how many points you will get. Alright, and competition. This year we have Blaze Spot Challenger Dance Competition, Personal Trainer of the Year. Alright, and let's find out how to log in. Okay, click on hamburger tab on your bottom right corner. Just click login. Enter your first name. So I enter my name. And my email. And click the red button. Okay. Right now, you have to go to your email inbox to find out email from Fitness Innovation that has verification code. Okay. So just wait a minute. I will go to my inbox. Okay, right now I think I can find my verification number. We would like a one-time password that you have to use it. But once you log in, you will stay and inside the app. I mean, you don't have to keep logging in every time you open the app. So right now, I already logged in. Alright, so what's the difference between not logging and if you log in? Alright, you can go to this first. This is your profile. Alright, click view profile. Okay, you can edit your profile. If you would like to add some photo, if you would like to add your prefix, suffix, your job title, your company, alright, you can do it. Okay, go back, and you can send text message to other applicant, other attendee, okay, by clicking start new message. Alright, and I would say this is quite good. If you are logging in, they have a schedule for you. For me, I chose the orientation session, so on Thursday 29th of September, okay, if I click on my schedule, they have the schedule that I have to attend the orientation. I still do not choose the session on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so there is no session. Alright, so if you log in, you can choose your schedule, your customized schedule, and you can chat to other attendee. Alright, okay, this is like a special feature that you can find here in the Asia Fitness Conference mobile app. Okay, please make sure that you download event mobile application first and search for Asia Fitness Conference, logging in, and yes, you can see all the information you need is now inside the app. Alright, so hope you enjoy using AFC mobile application. Bye for now and see you soon at AFC 2022. Thank you so much. Bye.